From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday. I'm student meteorologist Kaitlyn Potucek here with your Friday afternoon Campus Weather Service forecast. And taking a look outside currently, it's looking rather muggy with some very low stratiform clouds outside that bring some rain showers throughout our region, and rain and gusty winds are going to be the weather story for the rest of the afternoon. It's not necessarily too chilly outside, although it might look like it on this camera here. But like I said, rain and gusty winds are going to stick around tonight and into the day tomorrow, which I'll have more details on coming up shortly. We had widespread precipitation that came through our region last night associated with a very well-developed low-pressure system that's situated off to our north. You'll notice that as those rain showers moved through, precipitation actually starts to shift out of the west rather than in that north-south motion that you'll see over in eastern Pennsylvania. And this is due to precipitation wrapping around that low-pressure system, which is really going to make it sit through our area heading into the weekend. A look at our current conditions, however, shows that it is cooler off in the west than it is in the east. This is due to that cold front that's currently passing through eastern Pennsylvania. But a couple of lingering rain showers in some areas. Nothing's too strong right now, but it could become fairly steady in the afternoon hours. A couple of peaks of sun here in central Pennsylvania. Our main weather story, however, are these gusty winds, getting up to 30 miles per hour in some spots with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So since we do have these very strong sustained winds, it's in your best interest that if you have loose furniture outside or a trash can, try and bring that into your garage or at least secure it where it is, because there's no guarantees that it's not going to blow away as we head into the overnight hours. Current radar and satellite shows that much of that precipitation has shifted out of our west on the backside of that low pressure system, which we can see really spinning over the entire northeast and much of the Midwest as well. Like I said, it's very well developed, so when that happens, you can actually get precipitation wrapping all the way around the low, and then instead of propagating from south to north, it'll actually come around and propagate out of the west, bringing some light rain showers that are going to stick around as that low pressure system creeps its way out of our area. So our future weather shows that it is raining now, but as it cools off into the overnight hours, we could see some snow start to creep into much of the northern tier and down into central Pennsylvania potentially as well, although I don't think it'll have too many travel impacts unless you're out on the roads between 1 and 4 a.m. So just make sure that if you are out there that you are aware that you could see some snowflakes, and this might be the last time that we're seeing some of those flakes for the rest of the year. So if you do see it, congratulations. Things are looking to clear out, however, though, throughout the early morning hours tomorrow and into the afternoon, making for a very pleasant but yet still gusty evening for our Saturday. The main story here, though, for tomorrow in central Pennsylvania is the blue and white game. That's our scrimmage game here at Penn State football. 48 degrees is going to be our high tomorrow afternoon and around kickoff time as well. Abundant clouds to start the game. However, we are looking at some clearing throughout the game as well. So we might get some sunny skies for our on-the-field pictures tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. For the rest of the day today, however, it's not going to get much warmer than it is now, about 52 degrees. Steady light rain could come into the area in the afternoon and evening hours. Winds are sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour. So like I said, secure that if it's outside, and we could see some gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Overnight, partly cloudy. You might see the moon in a couple of places, but we are still going to see that light rain really stick around. Could see some snow in some of those northern portions of Pennsylvania as well, with winds calming down but still at 15 to 20 miles per hour. And tomorrow those winds are still sticking around 20 to 30 miles per hour. It'll be cloudy early, but we are going to see some clearing late as that system pushes its way out of our area, and you could see gusts up to 35 miles per hour. So make sure to buckle up if you are going to be outside for extended periods of time tomorrow. A look at our 7-day shows that we are really in a back and forth pattern with precipitation and sun. Will be rainy to end off the work week and sunny to start the weekend. However, Sunday night we could see some rain showers and potentially thunderstorms creep in yet again as we head into the beginning of our work week next week. We'll have a more updated forecast for you on Monday, but I'm Kaitlyn Potucek for the Campus Weather Service. Have a great day.